Wow! Look at this amazing garage that just appeared in our playroom today! It's so cool! These trucks are starting to glow with pretty colors all by themselves right now.
How magical!
My truck turned into a round red circle while yours became a square yellow shape. Now we have a blue triangle truck and a sparkly purple star truck to play with together. We discovered so many